Anybody will beat the devil and not gain to the sitting them where he want them to do. Go and get all of them nice sitting here. And me I go be for them God, and them I go be for me picnic. But the one them we are coward, we not believe in a God. We make themselves dirty with all of them nasty sitting where them do. We kill people. We take part in all kind of sex sin. We walk over here. We worship false God and we tell lie. Them are going to get fling down in the lake of fire. We are burned with sulfur. And this are the second death. Revelation 21, 7 and 8. And God want this. Thank God.